Florence Nightingale once said, "I attribute my success to this. I never gave or took any excuse." Today, we explore the enduring power of these words and how they can inspire us to achieve our own goals without excuses. In our daily lives, we face countless opportunities to make excuses. Whether it's in our career, our education, or our personal health, excuses can hold us back. Let's dive deeper into how adopting a no-excuse mindset, as Florence Nightingale did, can lead to significant achievements. Imagine the transformation when we replace excuses with actions. The path isn't always easy, but the rewards are real and tangible. From promotions at work to personal milestones in fitness, the spirit of no excuses drives us forward. Did you know? Florence Nightingale, often called the Lady with the Lamp, revolutionized nursing during the Crimean War. Her refusal to accept poor conditions and her relentless pursuit of better healthcare practices saved countless lives, exemplifying her commitment to no excuses. Have you ever wondered what drives success in the workplace and in personal life? The law of accountability holds the key. This principle teaches us that our success hinges on taking personal responsibility for our actions. Just as Florence Nightingale never gave or took any excuse, embracing this law means owning every decision we make and every outcome that follows. How can we apply this in everyday life? Start by setting clear personal standards and hold yourself accountable to these standards no matter the challenges. This approach not only fosters personal growth, but also builds trust and respect among peers. Applying the law of accountability isn't just about avoiding excuses. It's about actively seeking solutions and embracing the results. When the young entrepreneur faces a setback, she looks for ways to innovate rather than blame the circumstances. The student, overwhelmed with assignments, prioritizes tasks and sets realistic goals instead of procrastinating. These actions are powerful. They transform potential failures into stepping stones for success. Let these stories inspire you to take control of your journey, enforce discipline, and foster a culture of accountability in every aspect of your life. Florence Nightingale's legacy teaches us the power of responsibility and action. As we continue to seek inspiration from the past, visit Notable Notations for more motivational insights and quotes that can empower you to change your life, one decision at a time. No excuses. And one more thing. Check out our inspiring digital wallpaper collection on notablenotations.com.